This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, December 22nd, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a disturbance moving through the western Great Lakes into the plains and northern Rockies with a bit of light snow in there, and another band of cloudiness with another storm through Texas into the Tennessee Valley and up into New England with a storm system there. Watch morning map from just before midnight shows a winter weather advisory over northern New England, winter weather advisories, warnings, and watches over Wyoming into Colorado and New Mexico, with some fog advisories across the southeastern part of the country. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 6 o'clock shows the heaviest amounts of rain from southeastern Texas through the deep south and up the east coast into New England, where 1 to maybe 2.5 inches of precipitation is possible there. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 6 p.m. this evening. You can see an upper level feature moving down into the Four Corners area, while here we just have some flurry activity moving out later in the day. The main batch of precipitation, the showers and storms, will be over the Ohio and Tennessee Valley down into the Gulf Coast, with a possibility of some severe weather there as well. We head into Friday. It'll be a little bit cooler here with high pressure nosing in from the northeast and the west. Temperatures likely in the lower to middle 30s across the state. We head into Saturday, the weekend, the holiday weekend at that. Be a bit warmer, highs maybe the mid to upper 30s with partly to mostly sunny skies. Christmas Day still looks to be relatively mild for this time of the year. Mid-30s to maybe low 40s across the western counties of the state with some gentle light winds. By Monday, a storm system will be moving just to the north of the area, producing some snow over Canada, while here we'll just see a wind shift line to the northwest that'll bring some cooler conditions for the week after. And that includes into Tuesday, where it'll be slightly cooler, highs in the upper 20s to middle 30s with a light northerly wind. We head off into Wednesday. We'll still be quiet once more. Bit of snow over northern Minnesota and into the upper reaches of Wisconsin and upper Michigan, with nothing else around here. A week from today, the 29th, still a fairly quick west-east flow across the country. Bit of a dip over the central and eastern part of the country, but still that does not bring much of any cold air down from Canada. May bring some flurries or light snow showers into Nebraska and over the Great Lakes. Otherwise, it'll be seasonal with highs in the lower to mid-30s. We head further into the forecast run. This is New Year's Day. Here's a ridge developing over the center part of the country, the plains and Rockies. And if this pans out, this could mean the new year will be very warm, 40s if this is right, with southwesterly winds. That'll be a great way to start the new year, but alas, there'll still be no snow on the ground. And at the end of the forecast run, on the 6th, a little bit of a ridge still over the desert southwest in the Four Corners, but we're now in a northwesterly flow with a fairly decent amount of energy over New England with the storm system there. And there's a 1044 millibar high over the Yukon, and that will need to be watched as we could have an Arctic outbreak by mid-month. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.